Hey guys, today I'm going to tell you how to fix payment method not working on iPhone. If you are using any iPhone and you're facing the issue that your payment method is not working anywhere in your iPhone, so let's see some possible fixes for this. So the very first thing, you just have to go back and you have to make sure that you have a stable and the strongest network connection. Then go ahead to your settings app, go to general, go to software update. Try to update your software. If you find any pending software update, then go to VPN device management and try to disconnect your VPN. Go back, go to language and region, select your own country or region in which you're living. Then you have to go back again and go to date and time section and try to set your date and time automatically. Then go back and here I also recommend you how to try to reset your network settings if there will be any kind of issue with your iPhone network setting. It will be fixed in the steps. So go for transfer reset iPhone, select reset network settings, enter your iPhone passcode, and then select reset network settings and confirmation message pop up. It will reset all over your network settings. So if there will be an issue with your iPhone network setting, it will be fixed in the step. It will not delete any kind of your data, so you can easily try this. After that, go back, go to screen time section and go to content privacy restrictions and disable all the restrictions from here. So sometime it might be that your Apple Pay or your payment method has been restricted due to some restrictions. It will be fixed in this step. After doing this, you have to go back. I also recommend you have to try to make a force restart with your iPhone to fix minor glitches. Now to do that, you have to quickly press the volume up, then volume down, then press and hold your power button and wait for your phone until its screen goes fully black. And here, once you get the black screen, you just have to wait for Apple logo. And once you get the Apple logo, just release the button and wait for your phone until it restarts. After restarting, you have to unlock your phone. And here you have to retry to check if your issue has been fixed or not. If it's still not fixed your issue, so open your App Store, tap on your profile option in the top right, then tap on your Apple ID, verify yourself using your Face ID or your Apple ID password. And then select country or region option from here. Now you just have to select your own country or region in which you are living. So let's say I'm gonna select this one from here. Once I have selected, just tap on the continue option here. Then tap on agree in the top right. And here you have to add your payment method. If you don't have any payment method, you just have to select none option. Then enter your billing address correctly because the exact issue is the billing address. So just enter your billing address, then enter your phone number, your name, then tap on the done option in the top right, and your issue must have to be fixed. Or in some cases, if it's still not fixed your issue, so you have to go ahead to your Apple Support app. You can easily install this from your App Store, or you can use Apple Support app. Select iPhone from here, follow this subscriptions and purchases, and here you have to select an issue relating any option relating to your issue. So let's say I'm gonna select this one. This is unable to purchase. And here just select get more help and then diamond colors. After that you'll find a phone number whenever you want to talk. You have to simply dial this phone number and you will be connected to the Apple Support team member. You can discuss about your issue and get official help from there. So after that your issue will be fixed. Thank you very much for watching the video. Until next video, bye bye.